Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. So for today's video, we are going to calibrate the uh, personal multi-gas detector GX-3R using this SDM-3R calibration station. So first you are going to press the power. Okay. Then once lighted, you are going to insert this one. Okay, insert your unit. See, and then we just close this one, and then once it is already on transmit mode, you are going to press the cal. Okay, until it is lighted. So it is going to automatically calibrate the personal gas detector, and it will take approximately 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, I will pause for a while. So now it is already increasing. So anyway, this is a multi gas detector. Okay, where the carbon monoxide is 50 ppm, hydrogen sulfide is 25, methane 2.2% by volume or equivalent to 50 LEL, and then remaining oxygen of 12% by volume, and nitrogen as the balance. Okay, so once it stabilizes actually, then it is going to automatically calibrate the uh, the personal multi-gas detector, so it is very easy. Okay, air purge, and then it is going to check the alarm, the LED, the lid, and then it will just only automatically stop. Then once it stops, it is completed. So the calibration time from start till end is approximately 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass, elite pass, all the sensor pass. Yeah, there it goes. So finish with the calibration. So that's all. Bye.